Greetings everyone, this is Dr. Troy Roddy with another Thrive-a-P moment. In this episode, we're going to try to answer the question, what is a successful student? You, of course, can set your own example, your own definition for what a successful student is. But today I'm going to offer 4 suggestions or 4 qualities for a successful student. So here they are. Number 1, a successful student enjoys learning. When they come home from school and they want to talk to you about what happened during the day, instead of focusing on grades, they talk about what they're learning. They're talking about concepts, and they do so with a joyful and optimistic attitude. So they talk about what they're learning, not necessarily the grades they're earning. So they enjoy learning. Second quality, after enjoying learning, is that they actively engage in the learning process. Successful students are not as much passive receivers of information as much as they are active participants in the learning process. They like doing things, they like improving upon their work, and they seek opportunities to engage with the teacher in the lesson. Number 3, successful students work to create knowledge, and I love that term, creating knowledge. Different from gathering information, knowledge creation is a social function. It means that you take what you know, you share it with other people, and the result of that sharing and getting together and being generous with what you know creates a density of understanding or a higher level of understanding that didn't necessarily exist before you started sharing. So the third quality, a successful student, is one that seeks opportunities and works to create knowledge. And the fourth quality of a successful student is a successful student earns feedback that is both rewarding and useful. Rewarding in the sense that it makes them feel good. They worked hard and they deserve to feel good about their work, and the work they're doing is earning the type of feedback that makes them feel good. It validates their efforts. The second part of that is that it's useful feedback. In other words, it's feedback that they can take to improve upon their work, do better next time, maybe find opportunities to share their work with somebody else, that kind of feedback. So to recap real quick, a successful student, and again, you can come up with your own definition, but I suggest these 4 qualities to define a successful student. A successful student enjoys learning, is actively participating in the learning process, works to create knowledge, and finally, earns feedback that is both rewarding and useful. I hope you enjoyed this Thrive-a-P Moment episode. If you have a comment or a question, or maybe even a suggestion for a future episode, go ahead and contact me. My email address is troy@thriveap.com. That's TROY@THRIVAPY.com. troy@thriveap.com. You can also follow us on Twitter at @thriveap. And we're also on Facebook and we have a Google Plus discussion group. So if you're on one of those social networks, feel free to reach out and make a connection with us. We'd love to engage with you in the topics that we discuss here at Thrive-a-P. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this episode on what a successful student is, and we hope to see you again soon.